Hello everyone, we're sitting inside a 2017 Dodge Journey. Now, it was a lot of discussion about the aftermarket keys for the Dodge Journey. We got it from UHS Hardware. We're gonna program it via the AutoProPad. Whoever tried to do it and they tried to use a different key, of course, yes, it's not gonna work, but I'm gonna show you how this aftermarket gonna work. Automatic identification, identify, same thing. 2017 Journey. Yes. Read security code 6485. Now we're gonna erase all the keys from the memory. 6485. Okay. As we can see, erase successful. Number of keys 0. Add a key. I'm gonna press the unlock button and then press OK. Program success. Numbers of keys 1. Here's an aftermarket. Here's the bag. Dodge Journey. As we can see, the car is on jumper cables because the battery was dead, but the ignition is on, everything is on.